Hi, and thank you for allowing us to send you this video. I'm going to be showing you a few tips on how by improving your website you can improve your online presence, outrun your competition, and of course get more customers. So first things first, I have a website pulled here, and the first thing that I have to recommend is to add more content, and not just images, but more wording into the homepage. They have to include the keywords that you need to be found for. It will definitely help you to start ranking for so you can be noticed on Google. Now, this is very important on the homepage, but not only on the homepage. For example, in services, same thing. Add more content and it will definitely help you. If you break this down, your services by having one service for displaying one separate subpage will definitely help you as well. Why is that so important? Because we would like to see these websites with a lot of information, a lot of relevant content, and it has to be original, it has to be relevant, because if you just copy and paste, they will notice and you're not going to be taken into consideration whatsoever. So let's take a look at the back end of your website, and you've been found for only 33 keywords. This is bringing you roughly 18 visits a month to your website, and you have 75 backlinks. Now, what are backlinks? Backlinks are other sites that are mentioned in your website. It will give you power so you can be found on Google as well. Um, these will increase your domain rating and the URL rating, but keep in mind that not all links are created equal. So you can have thousands and hundreds of backlinks, but if they're not powerful, if they're not relevant, and most important, if they're not targeting the keywords that you need to be found for, this will be completely useless. So let's take a look at the keywords that you're being found for really quick. And you're being found for your branding name, which is great. That's one of the a good sign. But then let's take a look here. Video tech bridge to New Jersey. Is that something you want to be found for? Not really. But you don't have any relevant keywords here, so it's very very important that you keep in mind because you might be missing a lot of opportunities here. But if I go to Google and do a roofing contractor byline in New Jersey, which I know because that's the address that you have in here, so I believe this is the main location that you guys are at. The first thing you're gonna see is this is sponsored by Google. You pay for to be here. Then you have your traditional Google ads. This is where you pay every time somebody clicks on it. And just a quick explanation on this. If this is not done properly, you can end up wasting a lot of money and not seeing the results that you want. So this has to be very, very carefully done. Now, then we have the map section, and regardless of your location, you definitely want to be here. But you can see that you're not appearing here because there's no relevance in your website that can trigger Google to make you show up here, even if I believe you should have one of these profiles set up. And then we have the organic results. Person number one, this is the best business bureau. Yelp number two, this is a directory. And for the purpose of the video, I want to pull out these guys here and see why they're ranking in third place. So the first thing you're going to notice on these guys is that this website is this page is just targeting that specific city. So this is helping them because you can see here that roof, roof replacement in Violet, New Jersey can be taken as a keyword, and they took the time to actually target this page just to this specific site, and is helping them with the links that they have, with the backlinks that they have as well. But you can see that even though they don't have that much of information here, is enough for them to be ranking in that third position. Because if we look on the back end of their website, you can see that they're being found for the whole website that they have because they seem to be a big company. They're being found for 574 keywords. Is bringing them 158 visits to their website, and they only have 64 backlinks that is helping them so they can be found. And you can see that these are not doing that much because they don't seem to be powerful, but they're doing just enough so they can be found on Google. Now, based on the volume, I went and pull out, for example, this keyword I was trying to search you guys on Google, you can see that there's not too much relevance because there's not volume search in comparison to roofing contractor NJ. You can see that there's an average volume of 40 searches a month, and you can take advantage of this. And not only that, because if you're targeting other areas, for example, this one, roofing contractor in Bergen County, 20 searches a month. Cherry Hill, 20 searches a month. So if you add up all that volume, you can definitely start seeing the results if you would be targeting these keywords. And there can be more keywords that have um, the same purpose that you guys are serving or part of your services. So something to definitely think about because you might be missing a lot of opportunities here. So if you like we're here, we think we can help you out because we can definitely help you out. Or even if you have any other questions, feel free to reach out. Our information will be attached to the email, and I hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.